It's an old compressor I have. It's a two-stage pump and 10 horsepower Kohler engine. Haven't had it running in about 6 or 8 years, and just tidied it up today a little bit. And that's a kick down lever for fast versus running at idle speed. When the pressure's built up, there's a kick down switch over here that puts it back to idle until it reaches a certain level again. Then it'll idle up and go faster to make a lot of air. That's so that it doesn't run full speed at all times, because once the tank is full, it needs to cut back.